And welcome to another macrocosm video. Do you see the hazy light spot in the lower left corner of the preceding picture? That is the erratic galaxy NGC 1427a. It is currently traveling at the astounding speed of 2.2 million kilometers per hour, or 1.3 million miles per hour. NGC 1427a and the two brilliant galaxies in the image's center, NGC 1399 and NGC 1404, will eventually collide head-on. These two elliptical galaxies are part of the Fornax, the Furnace Galaxy Cluster, which is located just 60 million light-years away from Earth. The Fornax cluster's brightest galaxies, NGC 1399 and NGC 1404, are drawing nearer to one another as a result of gravity. Gravity intensifies with increasing proximity, sucking gas from NGC 1404, the bottom elliptical galaxy in the picture. Don't be deceived by how little these galaxies appear in the image. Each one is home to billions of stars. The Dark Energy Camera, DECAM, one of the best wide-field images in the world, was used to capture this stunning image. It is a component of the Dark Energy Survey and boasts 570 megapixels. The typical phone camera has 10. One of DECAM's great accomplishments is that it has assisted astronomers in finding approximately 300 previously unidentified dwarf galaxies in the Fornax cluster. Amazing fact: DECAM is one of the so-called survey devices that astronomers use to take pictures of wide areas of the night sky in order to better understand the larger-scale cosmic architecture. Survey tools aid in the discovery of fascinating celestial objects that will subsequently be examined in depth with telescopes. And that's all for today. Hope you liked this video. Stay connected to get more knowledge about the space. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.